If you've ever had to put a vent in a model like the one you see here, and you didn't know about the vent tool on the sheet metal tab of the command manager inside SolidWorks, you might have done it the hard way. So let's go in and show you how the vent tool works if you ever have to use it. We see I have a simple 2D sketch here with all of those elements inside of it. I'm going to go to the sheet metal tab and grab the vent tool. The first thing I pick is the outer hole that it's going to cut out. Then the next selections I'm going to have to make, I have to grab things that are ribs. Ribs are a little bit thicker than spars. And then we're also going to have the fill-in boundary area for us. So let's grab some ribs. Maybe these cross members are 0.2 inches wide. And then I could grab some spars. Maybe these ones are only going to be 0.1 inches wide. And maybe this little ring around the outside there. And then any areas that you want to fill in with solid material, or this last area, maybe this inner circle, we make that all filled in maybe. And then if you would like to have a fillet on all those corners, you could put a value in back up at the top here. Maybe we make it all have a fillet of 0.125 inches. You'll see the update that happens. All those corners get filleted very nicely. And we also can tell what the flow area of our hole is. If you ever had to hand calculate that, now you don't have to do that kind of stuff anymore. And it just turns into a feature on the SolidWorks feature tree that we could come back in and edit later if we ever wanted to. Check it out. It's that easy.